Pad printing machine. Connect the power cable to the socket. Set the operating speed on the control panel. Activate manual debug mode for initial testing and adjustments. Equipped with safety features and an ergonomic design for safe and comfortable operation. Unscrew the ink cup lid or bolt to open the ink compartment. Pour ink into the ink cup. Transfers ink with high precision and minimal waste, making it cost-effective and eco-friendly. Close the compartment securely with the bolt. Switch on the machine. Take a plastic water bottle. Position the bottle correctly under the silicone pad for printing. The label is now printed precisely on the bottle's surface. Repeat the same process for other water bottles. Labeling is complete. The bottles are now ready for dispatch.